Hello guys! Good morning! Yes! And we are back! Laag ni Totz on the floor. And of course with Totz and Max. Today is April 13th of 2017. So that means Semana Santa na. So guys, like I mentioned previously in our vlog, itong naata sa Crocodile Park grounds, we are going to Camiguin Island. So as of now, mag-commute lang, mag-drive ta through Camiguin and stop by at Cagayan de Oro to leave the car sa mamalihog ko sa mga office mates. Ibilin na ko ang car. We will be accompanied by one of our friends. Dati pa na nakauban na to siya sa vlog, si Aiza. So yun nga, from Davao, we are going to travel to Cagayan de Oro, but we'll drop by somewhere at Bukidnon to check the sites, to check everything na pwede na ito maagihan. And after that, let's stop by sa Cagayan de Oro City. So Cagayan de Oro City, dito ta mag-spend og night. And after sa Cagayan de Oro City, tomorrow morning at April 14th, we will be heading to Camiguin Island. I believe we've been to Camiguin, and actually the place is very spectacular, especially the White Islands. So Tot, do you want to say something? So guys, we'll be back to you. Makapitan, iniwan ka ni mami, kawawa kang aso ka. Saon taman di manggid ka niya, labiyaan na lang gid ka niya. Na si mami. Sakit din. Stopping by diri sa Shell, we met this dog, kitag iya. And the attendant diri sa Shell said na sa ila daw tong manager, pero tigulang na gito siya nga doon. But actually he's fine. Tindog siya, gistoryan ako, doggy na siya bangon nila ko. Abi na mo kamatsyonan na siya. That's a relief, knowing na we love dogs. And si Max syempre muuntang pakanon, then Tagalog water, but ayun nga siya, tindog lang kalit. So guys, we'll be back to you. Kauna na ako si Aiza. Yes, nakita na gid mi ni Aiza og iyang friendship na si Felix. And currently naami karon sa BUDA, naami karon sa real place. So diri mi mag-take sa amo ang breakfast pa ba? Lunch. And yes, mag-order mi diri so lamig. Naka-order na jud mi og breakfast, and now paabot na lang mi diri sa setup. And yes, naa diri si Aiza. Diligid ako pwede ba? And meet Felix. Felix to si Felix.
Felix the Great.
Felix, first time na mo nag-meet ni Felix, pero close na mi. Feel close na mi ni Felix. So, we are currently here sa real place. Actually, 20 pesos lang ang ilang entrance diri, but actually kaihiun ako manghisa ko.
Ngi ang silang duha. Ngita sa miglaki. Felix kay okay lang. Boto ko sa para kay Aiza.
Tapad mo sang. And yes guys, the weather is so cold. Tugnaw kaayo. And yun, they have rooms, they have different kind of activities. Pwede nimo ma-enjoy. Wow, hanging bridge. 3 at a time. Pwede tawag is hanging bridge. Plus, napa sila pool? Napa sila pool? Free na ilang pool sa 20.
Open eye.
May ulan. Hello. Oh guys, we run. Okay, nikalit lang og ulan. So kaya mo ang dagan. Actually, nagsugod mi dito sa hanging bridge. So probably diri na sa amin maghulat sa amo ang breakfast. We ordered bulalo and pancit cantonese. Claro. So guys, we'll be back to you na lang mamaya. Hanga.
Labiran na bilin.
Labiran na. Yan. Hello guys, good afternoon. We are done with our actually breakfast lunch na siguro to. Well, as you can see, medyo dugay gid mi diri naka-stay. Around 10 AM pinabot, and then currently it's already almost 11 or past 11 na siguro. Overview sa ilahang food, actually ilahang bulalo for 250 pesos. Ingon nilang serving is good for 3, but actually I think it's good for 5 pagani siguro. Bakit ka? Mag-focus ka. Good after good noon na, actually it's 12 noon.
O bandi ako ng makulot. Si Felix and si Aiza.
So yes, naami karon diri sa overview, and actually the view is still amazing. Is nawala ang hangin. Dati grabe kusog kini ang hangin, sobra gid kay kakusog ang hangin, but now grabe ka init. Grabe ang kainit. But anyway, the view bawi man pod. Guys, as you can see, na ako diri karon sa overview. Not maybe on the top. The place is still good because one thing is it's free. Free ni siya. Actually wala kay kailangan bayaran. And then naani sila kanang ginabenta sa gawas ng mga souvenir items if you're interested, and mura lang po lang ginabigyan. Medyo dagan-dagan nagtao kay tungod kay Semana Santa, and so far in conclusion, okay lang siya pa ng place. Especially ayan, na-feel na ako ang hangin kanina, wala jud. So guys, inviting you visit overview diri sa BUDA. Unahan sa BUDA yun. So guys, we'll be back to you. Kaya mabalik na sa among biyahe.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide.
So guys, we are going back. We are going straight to Cagayan now.
Okay.
And that's all. Hello guys, good afternoon. Yes, sakay na pud ko karon pasahero as pasahero. Hugs na kong hugs. So right now we are on our way na sa Richmond or sa hotel na among ipabook, and we are going to spend the night there. Tapos tomorrow is going me to Camiguin. And going me, kita ba? Going tatanan sa house. Ikay ko kay wala na ako nag-drive, gibili na mo ang car sa office, and karon is commute na lang ni going to any places, and probably magkuha mig massage mamaya because it's too tawagan na haggard. Seryoso massage asin. So yun nga, we are excited guys because tomorrow is the day. So yun, we'll be back to you mamaya guys. Of course, as we next stay, as usual, Richmond or pension house. I know, pabalik-balik na gidiri. But still, this is one of the best hotel na ma-stayhan diri sa CDO because it's affordable, malinis, and their staffs are very nice. Ito, small, big room. 700 pesos for matrimonial, and then we have the CR, and then we have the hot and cold, tapos malinis na
showcase.
showcase. Aircon, of course, the best. Bugnaw gid kay lang aircon diri. Guys, we will be back to you mamaya. View sa window, okay? It's a surprise. Okay, back door. Likod. Shh. Nasi. Behave. It's dinner time, but actually we don't know kung asa pa may mag-dinner. For now, guys, i-cut off na ako diri, and we'll continue our vlog mamaya.